Hi guys, this is Helen and Helen.
Hello.
We are doing the Mordiford loop today, also testing out some clothes. So I've got a Mac in a sack jacket that we're testing out. Helen has a Rab jacket. So we're going to give these a test on our walk as well. So we're just starting on the Mordiford loop. It is a bit of a trek up quite a steep hill to start with. You just get to the top of the hill, then you'll see the sign Mordiford loop. So we need to go up these steps, onwards and upwards. Bit steep again, but once you get to the top of this, which is quite a steep slope, it does get a bit easier. We've done the first bit up here, and now it's still going upwards quite steeply, going up this other part. So walking poles needed if it is kind of muddy underfoot, because it is today. Found some beautiful violets on the way up. Awesome. And a little buttercup. Oh. So I've got on a Mac in the sack. It's a feather down field. What's quite nice about it is that it's reversible. And the thing for me is I'm always getting lost. So what Pete said to me is I can wear the blue side when I'm going up a mountain somewhere, okay? If I get lost and I need finding and I turn it the other way, bright orange, so I'll easily be found. But that's not the reason he bought it me, that's what he says anyway. So, no, it is actually really super light and it's amazingly warm. And we've only done like just a few minutes walking and it's already too hot. So what's really nice about it is it's just so light. It isn't waterproof, that's the only thing. But it's the first kind of down jacket I've ever had and it is amazing. But I'm going to have to take it off now because it's too hot. Amazingly, I've not got lost yet, but then there is another sign saying Mordiford loop this way. So we've just come to this gate, countryside code. If the gate is closed, close it. If the gate's open, leave it open. Just at the top now, before we go through the other gate, it's always worth when you're walking to look behind you, which we almost forgot to do. Look at the view behind us. Awesome. Beautiful. These are the corn on the cob. Yeah, corn on the cob fields. You can just see, look, 2 ducks, George and Mildred, further up the pathway. So the pathway carries on up there, but if you just go this way, just very slightly, you can see a gate there. Maybe make that a bit lighter. There we go. And I'm just going to go in there. There's a bit of an area where you can stop and have a snack. So this is really nice. There's a little picnic table as a couple. And then you can look out over this, which is awesome. It's beautiful. Yeah, so this is a really important thing that Helen has, and I don't have one yet. Okay, it's called a sitter. Look at this. Demonstrated
I have a
beautifully.
nice dry bottom now.
That's what it's for though, basically. Just here, there are the most amazing views. Look at this. So we've just come down off the top here, and there, look, is the Mordiford loop sign. So we're going up this way. Helen's jacket, she's trialling out, is a Rab soft shell. Yeah. Modelled beautifully.
There we go, has a nice hood.
Very nice hood, very fluffy.
Fur lined.
Fur lined.
Fur lines, is very warm.
Yeah.
Not completely waterproof, but very windproof. It's got good cuff things because I've got tiny little arms. So good cuffs to keep my arms cold, warm.
Awesome. I like the pocket there as well.
Yeah,
there, the top
nice
pocket. That's
pockets.
really nice.
Big for massive mobile phones.
Yeah, true. Yeah, it's really nice.
It is.
Comfortable, warm.
Yes, definitely.
So another sign clearly saying down here. So that's where we go. We have been travelling up for quite a long way, so just starting now to kind of level off a bit. It is really, really muddy.
It is.
But that's quite
Testimony to good boots though.
Yeah, definitely.
As an example of different type of boots. But mine are sort of a more sturdy walking boot, and Helen's?
Mine are Hocker boots. So these are the ones that I did a video on. So Helen's and Mendel's.
Mine's a Mendel's.
Cool. And they are a more sturdy leather walking boot. Mine are Hockers. They're very lightweight. They're waterproof. We tested them. I tested them with Helen. We did a hike. It's only the first time I'd worn them, and the mud was like up to our knees. I mean, I know I'm only 4'11", but the mud was quite horrific. And yeah, they had a very good test, and I can absolutely say they were 100% waterproof. So I'll put a link in the description to that video, because that's well worth watching if you're after.
It is, definitely.
After boots. That's what's quite nice about this walk, is that there are these signs. It's quite easy, isn't it?
It is.
It's
definitely.
fairly easy. Okay, this is Helen's dance, okay, going down this quite steep hill. It's really, really muddy, okay? If I show you the mud, it is really bad. So, yeah. Look at this, right? Helen's just the other side of this. This is a gigantic tree. I'll see if I can film a bit of it without going flying over somewhere. But look at that. All the way just through there. And it must have fallen over in that storm that we had. It's absolutely, you can see how big it is compared to us. It's a gigantic tree, it really is. And look what it's done to the pathway. Look, all of this part is just taken out a whole massive area of the path. A few daffodils coming up, and we think, I'm not an expert with this, I think that's wild garlic, I think. There's quite a lot of it growing up there. So we just come down here, and you go down this pathway and then through this gate here. Okay, this is the next bit. As you can see, it's a bit muddy. Shall I film in case Helen falls over? Or would that be mean? Now, saying that, if I fall over now and I'm not filming. So you come down here. This is really pretty. It's really nice just that you come out of the kind of wooded sort of areas, and then you've got this beautiful landscape here.
Here we go.
Okay, so we've just come to a bit of a problem. Luckily, we're both quite short, so we can get through this little gap, but there is a tree blocking our pathway. Made it to the other side. So many people have walked, of course, through the same little bit. It's very muddy, but mud's good for you. So this was a little bit muddy, just on this part, slightly. We managed to get through by standing on the sticks, so we're okay. But look at this house. If this house was all done up, wouldn't it just be absolutely amazing? So guys, as you come through down this way through the woodland, and then you've got this sign, and you just go down here, and not far from the end now, actually, not too far to go. Okay, so this coat is absolutely amazing. I had to take it off earlier because it was too warm. It's the first down jacket I have really ever owned, and it's a Mac in a Sack one. And initially, I must admit, when I saw that, I thought, oh, it's not actually going to be that good, but it is amazing. And the fact it comes in a little bag, you can just shove it into your rucksack and just keep it in there, so that if you are really cold, you can you know, put this on. So this, if I have this on and then put my waterproof that you saw me wearing earlier over the top of this, it keeps you so warm. But so it was actually too warm to wear. It is awesome. I love it, and I love the fact that it's orange on the other side. But I didn't need it because we didn't get lost.
No, we didn't.
We have actually finished the walk, and we didn't get lost, Jen.